Welcome to our Touch National High School that upholds the DepEd vision, mission, goals, and objective to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where the student learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. The teachers facilitate learning.
This is Dr. Winnie B. Paneda, the school principal of Sir J. Mark D. Halo. Mr. J. Mark is an asset of Artacho National High School. His accomplishments as a senior high school teacher are exemplary and extraordinary. He extends beyond regular duties and mandates, demonstrating a proactive initiative to address pressing problems and needs, not only of his students, but of the school in general. He tackled complex problems within the field, such as streamlining inefficient process, improving accessibility for the learners, and developing innovative solutions to long-standing challenges in the department. These initiatives have resulted in tangible benefits for students and fellow teachers, thus contributing to increased efficiency and good performance of Artacho National High School. He is a true Filipino, promoting Philippine culture and values through his participation in different DepEd activities where these are being focused. He is a living sample of a humble and proud Filipino worth emulating, especially by our students.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Marjorie M. Adriano, head teacher in charge of MAPE here at Artacho National High School, season where Sir J. Mark Halog is stationed at. Mr. Halog is an international awardee, being the most outstanding and innovative senior high school physical educators of the year 2023. And his accomplishments in the schools and in division are exemplary and outstanding. That's why, as his head teacher in charge, he truly deserves the award. Yung natatanging guro ng bayan, dangal ng kultura, integridad ng lahing Pilipino.
Hi, my name is Neocyril Narbonita, the former SSLG Vice President in Artacho National High School. I've known Sir J. Mark when he became our subject teacher in grade 12. His teaching is one factor that influences us to motivate ourselves to further pursue our studies. Siya ay hindi lamang isang guro, kundi isang inspirasyon para sa amin upang makamit namin ang aming mga pangarap at magtagumpay sa aming mga hangarin sa buhay. He is an outstanding teacher for all of us.